Hey guys, welcome to Tech Guru. So today I'm going to show you guys how you can easily fix Minecraft for Windows 10. So basically what you want to do is you want to go ahead and open Minecraft first of all. And if you have this problem where it'll start up and then it'll just show this red screen basically for an unlimited amount of time, and you're looking for a way to fix this, today I'll show you guys how you can super easily fix this without much hassle. So this is actually a super easy fix, it shouldn't take too long. So what you want to do is you want to go into the graphics settings for your Windows 10 PC, and you could just do this by searching for graphics settings on Cortana or the search bar, and just go, once you're inside of the graphics settings menu, basically you just want to go to the app section and set it to Microsoft Store app, and you just want to search for Minecraft in the little search bar. Then you can go ahead and click Minecraft in options, and basically want to go here and change your graphics card from your integrated graphics card, whether that might be Intel or AMD, and you want to change it to the Nvidia or AMD discrete graphics card that you have. So just depending on that, just choose that graphics card, and for most people it should be their discrete graphics card, but if that doesn't work, just try setting it to a different one and it should work. Otherwise it might be a different problem, but for most people setting it to their discrete graphics card should fix it. Once you're done that, you can go ahead and exit that and try to relaunch Minecraft Windows 10 Edition again, and you should see that that red screen basically goes away instantly, and you'll get right to that loading screen for Minecraft Windows 10 Edition, and within a few seconds you should notice that you're right inside the game and you're ready to play your favorite Minecraft game, I guess. So that's basically it for today's video. Super simple fix, and I hope you guys like this one, as it's something that's super easy to fix, but it can cause many problems. So yeah, that's really it for today's video. If you liked today's video, please be sure to subscribe. And yeah, that's it for today's video.